Hello cuties, I'm Christy Grace, your English teacher. I hope last video of lesson 2 and book back exercises was clear and good. In this video, we are going to continue of our book back exercises of lesson 2, the ant and the grasshopper. You just see, look at the following words: hop, wag, tap, sip, lap, bat. Can you repeat after me? Hop, wag, tap, sip, lap, bat. When you're adding ing to these words, the last letter is used again. They have a double letter. Just see below, hop. When we add ing to the word hop, we have to double the last letter of the word. So, hop means hopping. H-O-P. We have to add another P, then ing. Hopping. Wag. Wagging. W-A-G-G-I-N-G. Wagging. Tap. T-A-P. Tap. When we are adding ing, we have to double the last letter of the word. So, tapping. T-A-P-P-I-N-G. Tapping. Sip. S-I-P. Sip. S-I-P-P-I-N-G. Clear? Next, lap. L-A-P. Lap. So, while adding ing, what we have to add? We have to double the last letter of the word. So, L-A-P-P-I-N-G. Clear, children? Next, bat. B-A-T. Bat. We have to add ing. So, batting. B-A-T-T-I-N-G. Clear, children? Very good. Let's write. Look at the picture of the grasshopper and the ant. Complete the sentences about them with the words from the boxes. You just see the picture. Here we have given some of the words in a box. So we are going to complete these sentences by using these words. Shall we do now? Right. The grasshopper is an... What is that? In the box they have given insect, wings, green, two, leaves, grass. These are all the keywords which we are going to utilize these keywords into the particular sentence. Shall we complete this? Yes. The grasshopper is an what? It's an insect. Yes, very good. Next, it is what color? Yes, it is green in color. Then it has dash and can fly. It has, what is that? Yes, wings. It has wings and can fly. Next, it is only dash inches long. How many inches? Yes, it is 2 inches long. Then it hops on dash and eat dash. What is that? It hops on grass. So we can see grasshopper on the grass. Then it eats leaves. So grasshopper will eat leaves, right? So successfully we have completed these sentences by using these words. Now let's move on to the next. Yes, the ant. And also they have given some keywords in the box. Okay, now we are going to complete these sentences. The ant is also an, yes, also an insect. And it is red or black. Clear? In colors. So we can see the two colors of ants. Right? Red or black. Yes. It is very small in size. Yes. And it has how many legs? 6 legs. Right? 6 legs. Ants eat small things. Very good. You just cross check your answers here. Very good. Now, It's a speaking activity. Let's speak. Shall we speak? You just read along with me. Describe the flowers. Look at the example given below. Describe the flower to your partner in the same manner. You have to read out the same. Clear? This is a rose. Yes, it is red in color. You just see the picture of the rose. Yes, it is red in color. It has thorns on its stem. So we can see the thorns on its stem, right? Then it has a pleasant smell. When we smell a rose, we feel pleasant, right? So it has pleasant smell. The flower can be different in size, right? So one flower will be small, another flower will be little big. So the flower can be different in sizes. Next, see. You just observe the picture. What is the name of the flower? Yes, sunflower. Just read along with me. The sunflower is a yellow flower, right? And that is a symbol of happiness and truth. So, sunflower represent the symbol of happiness and the truth. A sunflower turns its face to follow the sun throughout the day. Already we have learned, right? Sunflower always turns to face to follow the sun, right? Sunflower is the only flower with the word flower in its name. Yes or no? Then, sunflower seeds are popularly used to make sunflower oil and snacks, right? So, sunflower seeds are popularly used for making sunflower oil and snacks. Sunflowers grow very fast and their stems can reach over 10 meters. So it will grow very fast and it will reach over 10 meters of height. Next, you just observe this picture and tell, yes, very good, sir. Picture of lotus flower. Yes, let's read. Lotus is the national flower of India. Okay. The lotus grows in freshwater ponds and lakes. We can see the lotus in the freshwater ponds and the lake, right? How many of you seen that? Very good. It is light pink or white in color. Okay? And the flower stands for truth, knowledge and wealth. So the lotus represents for truth, knowledge and wealth. Clear? The shape of petals are round in shape. Here is the activity you have to answer. Clear? It is Tuesday evening. You have to study for the test that is on Thursday. Clear? It will take you 2 hours to do so. However, there is a new cartoon show on television that you want to watch. If you watch it now, you will have no time to study for the test. On Wednesday evening, you are busy as you have to go for the badminton lesson. They have given some situation. They are asking your answers. So the thing is, Tuesday evening, you have a test on Thursday, right? This is the Tuesday evening. You have test on Thursday. Okay? On the same time, there is a new cartoon show on television which you like to watch it. Clear? If you watch it, you will have not any time to study for your test. Clear? And also the next day of evening, you have busy schedule that you have to go for badminton lesson. So here they have given some situation, you have to answer for that. Shall we do now? Watch the cartoon on Tuesday and skip badminton lesson on Wednesday to study for the test. Will you do that? You just watch the cartoon on Tuesday and skip badminton lesson on Wednesday to study for the test. Will you skip the studying? We should not do like that, right? Yes, here is a wrong situation. So you have to put into mark to this question. You just put into mark. Clear? Next situation. Miss the cartoon show, study for the test, go for the badminton lesson on Wednesday. So, second situation is you are missing the cartoon show and you just study for the test and go for the badminton lesson on Wednesday. Yes, we have to do the same. It's a right answer. We should not miss our lesson. We have to give priority to our studies. Clear? After completion of study only we can play, right? Very good. Next, you just see the third situation. Study for the test, go for badminton lesson on Wednesday and record the cartoon show that so you can watch it over the weekend. So they have given another situation too. So instead of missing the cartoon show, you just doing the wise thing. You just first study for the test and go for badminton lesson on Wednesday and record the cartoon show so that you can watch it over on the weekend. So you just record that show. So whenever you free on the weekend, you can see that show without missing that particular show which you want to watch it. Clear? So it's a right opinion. So here we can put tick mark also. Next, watch the cartoon show, go for badminton lesson and miss the test. Is it right situation? We should not do that. So we should not miss the test. What we have to put here? Yes, into mark. Very good. We have successfully done all the activities and the book back exercise of lesson 2. We have completed successfully. Right. Then you just see, after you make your choice, ask an adult if you have made the right decision. Discuss this with your friends in the class too. So after selecting your opinion, you discuss with the elders of your family and your friends. Okay? We have to face all the situations. Okay? We have to give priority to our studies. Right? And also the same thing we can do the alternative way for our entertainment and the enjoyment. Clear, children? Stay safe. Be happy. Obey your parents. Okay, cuties? Bye.